Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy M04 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first launch Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. To log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account device. So that's why tap to manage accounts on this device, select your account and click to remove button. Confirm your action by tap to remove account again. If you use one from the protect methods, use it. I'll use my pattern. So now we successfully log out from the Google account, and let's go back to the Gmail app, and we can see that we also successfully log out from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.